Hi, my name is Danielle, and this is my Troy Anthony story. Last year at the 2006 Mambo Project, Troy asked me to dance, and I was really nervous because I didn't know how to dance.
But you said before, after you danced with a really good girl. So
right, he danced with this really great chick, and I was like all nervous. And he asked me to dance, and I'm like, well, you got to take it easy on me because, you know, I don't dance like her. And he's like, okay. We start dancing, and it's fine, but I'm nervous.
But what did he say before you start dancing?
I'm nervous, and he tells me, no, relax, it's going to be fine. We start dancing, and he can tell. So we're dancing, and then he goes to me, don't worry, I got you. And I melted. I was like, oh. That's my story.
Iran,
Troy, you ain't famous?
Yeah,
I said it, you ain't famous. Troy, you're not famous.
holla at your boy. Holla at your